Ever gotten that dreaded ServiceNow audit notice and felt your stomach drop? Don't panic, but don't go silent either. ServiceNow audits are serious, but if you handle them smartly, you can control the outcome and even turn it into leverage. Here's what happens. First comes the audit notice. They'll quote your contract's audit clause and ask for data within 30 days. Step 1. Review that clause. Know your rights, especially around notice periods and scope. You might be able to limit how much data they can request. Then comes data collection. That's where companies panic and overshare. Don't. Only provide what's requested and validate it first. Form an internal response team and pull your entitlement records. If you can, bring in a licensing expert to sanity check ServiceNow's logic before anything leaves your hands. When you get the findings, read every line carefully. Common audit traps include users assigned fulfiller roles without licenses, unpurchased modules turned on by accident, and API or transaction overages. Half the time the data is wrong, duplicates, old accounts, contractors covered under separate terms. Challenge everything that doesn't match your entitlement. Here's the tip: never accept the first settlement number. ServiceNow's goal isn't punishment, it's revenue. You can usually convert shortfalls into discounted forward purchases instead of paying penalties. Use it to your advantage. Tie the settlement to your next renewal to secure better pricing. And after it's over, lock the door behind them. Set up quarterly internal audits, monitor license assignments, and tighten your audit clause for next time. If you're under audit right now, or see one coming, don't go it alone. Get expert help fast. A strategic defense can save your company hundreds of thousands and keep ServiceNow at bay for years.